Hello everyone, this is Margarita. Today I will make a low-carb keto snack item with cauliflower. I normally do not snack in between my meals, but I take this snack item with my meals. I started keto lifestyle about 2 years ago and got amazing results. During my pregnancy and after pregnancy, I was suffering from huge overweight, high blood pressure, pre-diabetes, and hormonal problems. But just going low carb and doing keto helped me so much to overcome these health issues and get off from my medicines too. So I'm very happy about this lifestyle and this worked for me so well. So today I'm making this video keto cauliflower snack inspired by Dr. Berg. But I'm going to add my own choice of spices that I normally use in my cooking. The reason I'm using cauliflower because this vegetable is so versatile and just fit in keto because it has only 5 grams of carb in 1 cup of cauliflower. This is the substitute of rice and potatoes without having all the carbs. So let's get into it. Okay, if you want the full recipe, check my blog, mylifestylejournals.com. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, like, comments, and also share with your loved ones whoever need to go for a low carb or keto diet. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!